So, hiring season naman sa DepEd. Step number 1. Kailangan alam nyo yung deadline kung kailan yung huling submission ng folder. Step number 2. Maghanap gaya nito. Step number 3. Kailangan yung magtanong ng correct spelling ng principal, yung kanyang designation, pangalan ng Schools Division Superintendent ng inyong division. Step number 4. Letter of intent. Pangalawang kailangan mo ilagay sa folder mo is eto. Next, kailangan nyo ng voter's ID or any proof of residency. Next requirement is a photocopy of your transcript of record and diploma. This photocopy of your training certificates. Next, kung meron kayong mga NC at TM, pwede next certificate of employment or service record. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung inyong photocopy ng PRC ID nyo and board rating. Last but not the least is of course yung Omnibus.